All right, folks, welcome back to part two, which should be all one integral video since I had to splice the intro to this one. Mostly because I realized that if I was filming with the front camera and I paused it and I tried to switch to the back camera, I couldn't do it. It won't allow me to do it. That's okay. We'll just splice it together, post edit. And here's my cup of coffee. Let me take a quick sip. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but that's all right. If you did, I'm sure some of you out there drink coffee and tea. I'm sure a whole heck of us do. All right. So, not a secret from France. I took away the tags. One that says France on it doesn't matter. Private information of the person who sent it. And let's get to it. What are we waiting for? Let's just dive right into it. Ah! All right. I promised you all some gorilla unboxing, so this is what it's got to be. All right. I've got to make sure I stay in frame here. I am running the camera on a my chest armor, as I call it. That good feeling of ripping cardboard open and taking out your. And voila, Miss Elsa Charitier. I think it's Charitier. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. I am always up for a good correction because that's how I learn more and more. Um, that's okay. Let's just dispense with the. Okay, I have this yellow cutter, box cutter. I have to make sure I don't cut the book or splice the hardcover. That would be kind of counterproductive. Hold on with me. Hold on here with me, I should say. All right, let me try this. Do that angled cut up. Don't do anything that's going to damage the book. Ah! All right, here we go. Here we go, folks. Here we go. Stay with me now. By the way, if you're here for your very first time, I thank you. Please, by all means, do like the video. I hope you like it. And if you do, great. Give it a thumbs up. And by all means, leave a comment. And don't forget to share the video with friends, family, neighbors, and total strangers alike. And also, and most importantly, please. Oh wow, it's got extras. Okay, let's surprise ourselves, shall we? I have never opened this. I've had this in my archives for a while, and it was finally, excuse me, finally time to open it. Wow, look at this. U.S. Route 31, Collinette, Chartier, and Hollingsworth. Collinette, I believe is her husband. I'm not sure. Yep, an autograph by Miss Elsa herself and Mr. Collinette. Oh, beautiful. From 2022, folks. I know, I know. You're thinking you've had this book in your archives for what? Three, 2 years, 2 years? Yep. Oops. I'm not supposed to show that. We are on YouTube after all. Hold on a second. It is a book for adults. I'll put it. Okay, here we go. A page we can show. Da-da-da-da. Hopefully the lighting is good here. We have our trusty megawatt light panel, which is called The Sun, and it works marvelously well. I'm going to have to do this off scroll. Well, let's get this to a more. Oh my God! I don't know if there's a PG senior that we can show, but there is. Apparently, this page, sort of like a wow, it's beautiful, beautiful artwork, one page spread, and going from left to right, shared by page 18 to 19. Wow. Okay, let me pull this off camera, see what's acceptable to show and what's not. Oh, there we go. Beautiful artwork. Look at that, folks. I like the sort of very flat. They are flat colors, from as far as I could tell. The light pink here, the yellow for the dress, all of it. It's just very subdued coloring, and I think that works for this. I believe it's a crime noir story. Let's see what it says here. U.S. Route 31 is a mini graphic novel co-created by award-winning creators Miss Elsa Charitier and uh, Derek Collinet, based on Inktober 2021's prompt words and a pitch. Two lovers run away together. Why? What happens to them? Who 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 even are they, or who are they? Yes, one illustration or page a day for 31 days. No planning. Okay, let me put that in focus. You can all read it. You can pause it if you need to, and there you go. So this was actually the byproduct of their Inktober's 2021's word prompts. Amazing. Love it. All right. Let's see what extras we got here. And as you can tell, by the way, folks, The shipping was nice. Good boxing, good packaging, no damage to the book. Again, if I see the camera move a little bit here and there, it's because I'm going to have to manually do that to adjust. Oh, whew, sorry, folks. All right. Oh, I don't know if I can show that. Okay, hold on a second. I don't think I can show that. Oh my God, it's well, it's an adult nudie, half nudie in shadow. We get a sticker, we get another sticker, and we get a sort of a poster. Hold on a second. I got to make sure that it's PG rated. All right, now I can show this. Yeah, okay, I can. So there's a poster here that comes with it, folded in quads. Or I should say folded times four. And then it's a black and white, and of course on the other side it's color, and it's amazing, beautiful stuff. Oh, I know you want to see it. Let us see it, says the audience. Okay, there it goes. I'm panning down, and then there's the signature as well. Voila, I think that's the signature. All right, let me put this to the side. We still have to get to another one, and we don't want to make this video overtly long. I love this. It's just pretty, very beautiful. All right, now let me look at there's a sketchbook, a process book, but I can't show pages that are for adults only. Oh, jeez. That's going to be pretty hard. Well, here we go. All right, here's the sketchbook that comes with it. I think I can show you. Hold on. That page, yes. We get the panel layouts that she was working on. Okay, right there. And then, of course, sketches on this page here. Or maybe under her sketchbook or planning book. This was that page I showed you, finally printed and in color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. That was the layout. Let me pick this back up out of view. Make sure there's nothing. Yeah, this is a PG, G-rated content here. Wow, look at this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Beautiful artwork. All right, folks, I don't think I can go further into the book because there are some unexpected scenes for and language for adults. Okay, I guess I can show this. This is the whole project started during a hike, as they often do for us. We kicked off the trail, relaxed, and ready to enjoy the French fresh air. It actually just says fresh air. But by the time we made it back to the car, we had 31 days to finish a graphic novel and 48 hours to plan a Kickstarter campaign. We were actually lost in that picture, right there. That's amazing. Beautiful work done on such a short time scale. All right. Yep. Self-imposed deadline. Beautiful. You can follow the creation of US 31 at Inktober Mini Graphic Novel, co-created by Elsa Charretier and Pierrick Collinet. Thumbnail sketches, informal script excerpts, and more. This process book covers the hibernating day-to-day, I can't read it, the experience of creating without a plan. All right, there you go. You guys can pause it and read it for yourselves. All right, let's get that out of view. We're at the 8-minute mark. I promised you 2 for 1, so let's do 2 for 1. All right, so this one, I think I'm going to have to, nope, I did cross out addresses. This is also from France. I believe I know what this is as well. All right, let's do this. Da-da-da-da. Someone do the drum roll, please. Or just, chime in the comments and type it in. All right, hopefully the sound is all good here. Hold on a second. I might have to move the mic a little closer to me. Make sure that there's no... All right, hold on a second. You know what? This is already getting to be way long. I'm sorry, folks. We're going to have to section this off. If you want to see this unboxing, please come back for the next video, and it'll be probably about 7 minutes long. It shouldn't take me longer than that to actually share this with you all. And it'll be, part of your break time at work or your second break, your 10-minute break. You can spend 7 minutes on the channel here, Ride Life Draw. If it's your first time, thank you for being here. You could have been anywhere else on the internet. If this is actually a repeat visit, and please don't forget to hit the thumbs to like the video, hit the bell for notifications after again, we're getting views, but apparently we're not getting a lot of subscribers. So please do subscribe to the channel because all of that will help the algorithm and the metrics. All right, if you're ready to go, let's get on to the next video. All right, so we're going to end this one with what? I'll see you all, as always, on the next one. Thank you for being here. Bright moments.